Sometimes a single leaked photo or early FCC filing can reveal more than a full-spec sheet. That's exactly the case with the newly surfaced hints at what many believe is the upcoming Mavic 5 Pro from DJI. At first glance, it's just another sleek foldable drone in testing. But when you start examining the details, from the upgraded camera housing to mentions of next-gen transmission, it hints at something far more interesting. A major leap in resolution, low light performance, and truly unlimited range connectivity. If that's true, this could reshape how professionals and enthusiasts capture the world from above. Recent industry chatter and FCC registrations point to a drone that builds directly on the Mavic 4 Pro's revolutionary triple camera system. The Mavic 4 Pro already delivered a 100-megapixel Hasselblad 4/3 inch main sensor with 6K 60p HDR, dual telecameras, and up to 60 minutes of flight time. The new prototype images and filings suggest DJI is pushing even further with a next-generation sensor setup and hybrid transmission tech. For creators who demand the best, every extra megapixel and every kilometer of reliable range matters. The aircraft itself follows the familiar premium Mavic layout. Compact when folded, powerful when unfolded, with a design clearly optimized for both cinematic storytelling and professional mapping or inspection work rather than pure speed runs. The most talked about detail in the leaks is the camera module. It appears to feature an evolved Hasselblad 4/3 inch stacked CMOS sensor, possibly pushing toward 150 megapixels or more, with adjustable aperture and support for true 8K 60p HDR video, plus 4K 240p slow motion. A visible tilt mechanism and what looks like enhanced dual telephoto lenses. Upgraded to 100 megapixels medium tele and long tele with full 8K capability, suggest this drone may not be locked into yesterday's shooting limits. Instead of choosing between ultra-high resolution stills, cinematic video, or extreme zoom, pilots might get all of it in one platform. A stabilized main camera for breathtaking detail, plus lossless zoom that rivals dedicated lenses. If implemented well, that could eliminate the need for multiple rigs or heavy post-production cropping. Pushing sensor resolution and video specs this high is ambitious, but it comes with challenges. More processing power typically means increased heat generation, slightly higher power draw, and the need for even smarter thermal management. Those factors can influence overall flight time and weight, which are critical in a portable flagship drone. The success of the Mavic 5 Pro will likely depend on how elegantly DJI balances raw performance with real-world usability. Markings and filings visible in the leaks strongly suggest an upgraded communication system, widely rumored to be the all-new OcuSync 5 with SDR plus 5G hybrid integration. While nothing is officially confirmed, observers expect this to deliver rock-solid video feeds at distances previously unimaginable. Think 50-plus kilometers line of sight, or effectively unlimited range via cellular when BVLOS regulations allow. 1080p 60 frames per second low latency feed with minimal dropouts, even in dense urban environments. The hybrid approach could also enable seamless live streaming and enterprise-level connectivity, making the drone far more future-proof. Leaked kit images show what looks like a full Fly More combo configuration, including multiple high-capacity batteries and an advanced charging hub. That's a clear sign the Mavic 5 Pro is intended for serious, repeated flights rather than occasional hobby use. Flagship Mavic drones prioritize endurance and reliability for long cinematic takes or mapping missions. So extra batteries are less about luxury and more about maintaining a professional workflow without constant downtime. If the rumored pricing structure holds, starting around $2,199 to $2,999 depending on the combo, this drone would sit firmly in the premium prosumer/enterprise space. That positioning could attract aerial cinematographers wanting 8K resolution and Hasselblad color science without compromise, real estate and inspection pros who need extreme zoom and reliable transmission. Content creators looking for one drone versatility that reduces the need for additional gear. Industry leaks and FCC timelines point toward a Q3 to Q4 2026 debut, most likely September to November. That would align with the DJI's typical flagship cycle after the Mavic 4 Pro, launched in 2025, and give engineers time to refine firmware, especially for the new OcuSync 5 and higher resolution processing. As always, real clarity will only come once official teasers, flight samples, and hands-on testing emerge. Rather than a complete reinvention, the Mavic 5 Pro appears to explore refinement and convergence, taking the already excellent Mavic 4 Pro formula and pushing resolution, transmission range, and low-light capabilities to the next level in a single aircraft. It's not about throwing out existing workflows, but about giving creators a tool that removes more limitations than ever before. If the concept delivers on its leaked promise, it could mark another meaningful step forward in accessible, high-end aerial storytelling. So that's a wrap. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you upgrade from the Mavic 4 Pro? Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more drone news and leaks.